Hey everybody, welcome back to my Grow Like a Pro YouTube channel. Exactly 2 weeks ago today, I started this little basil cutting. I cut this off a plant that was dying off. I only had a couple of little pieces left and it wasn't doing very well, so I cut off 2 of these. One of them died off and this one here is still going pretty strong. And I cut the trimming exactly 2 weeks ago today, so 14 days ago, and you can see all of the tiny roots that have happened. And I am going to plant this tonight because at this point I believe this needs to get into some soil, and that's about it. So anyway, if something happens, if it continues to grow, I will keep you updated. But there you go. That's how easy it is to do a clipping. You just get a very sharp knife, just slice it off, and then right into some water and just let it go. And with a little bit of magic, you'll get that happening. And as soon as you start seeing those roots, you can get that into soil and you can get a brand new plant growing just from that little trimming. So that's it for this video, and I'll see you next time.